We need to continue the work he started. We need to be more inclusive instead of exclusive, and we need to make sure that everyone lives their life to their fullest, that they are able to enjoy things that are there for everyone. And Dr. King, so much of his work was not just about equality, but it was about equity. Martin Luther King Day has been celebrated for 38 years now in the Reston community, and it involves just about everybody from different all walks of life here in Reston.
It gives us a chance to step back and enjoy and embrace the teachings of Dr. King and the differences among ourselves. We have community concerts, we have various community opportunities to give back, building lunches for the homeless shelter. We had a sickle cell blood drive, so it was a tremendous opportunity to celebrate the legacy of Dr. King and what he stands for.
This year we have a keynote speaker, Heather McGhee. Her book is #1 seller. I encourage everyone to get it and read it. It talks so much about the country here and how racism is affecting all of us. Here at the Community Center, for 38 years, it's not just Martin Luther King Day, but we celebrate what Martin Luther King stood about throughout the year.
Before this journey, I knew that the American economy had gone from the first 60 or so years of the 20th century looking more and more like a football, right, with a fat middle class and narrow ends of high and low income households on either side, to starting in the 1970s beginning to be squeezed to look more like a bow tie, right, with a squeezed middle class and bulging ends of high and low income households. And I knew the how of all that, right? That was sort of my job. I knew what had happened in tax policy and trade policy, to wage and hour standards, to industrial policy, to public investments and social services. I knew what had changed. It was a radical set of shifts. But I did not understand why. The life and writings of Dr. King were a recurring theme throughout my book. My favorite quote of his refers to the way in which we are connected, we are tied in a mutual garment of destiny. And the basic idea that an injury to one is an injury to all has really been a guiding premise in my work to elucidate the costs of racism, not just to people of color, but to everyone.